In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to Skool community. Inviting people to your Skool community is quick and straightforward, and there are two reliable ways to do it: sharing a join link or sending email invitations right from inside your group. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, head to your group's main page in Skool. From here, look for the settings area. It's typically represented by a gear icon and sits near the top of your group interface. Open Settings, and you'll see the controls that help you manage your community. The section we want today is called Invite. Go ahead and click into the Invite tab. Inside the Invite tab, you'll see your options for bringing new people in. The simplest route is to copy your group link. This is the unique URL that takes someone straight to your community's join page. Click to copy it, then share it wherever your audience is: in a welcome email, a newsletter, a direct message, or on a landing page. A quick tip here: test the link yourself in a fresh browser window so you can experience exactly what new members will see. That way you can give clear instructions, like letting them know they may need to create or sign in to a Skool account before they can join. When you share the link, pair it with a short welcome blurb that sets expectations: what your community offers, who it's for, and what they should do first after joining. If you prefer more control, use the built-in email invitations. In the same Invite tab, you'll find a field to enter email addresses, and in many cases, a spot to add a brief, personal note. Keep your message simple and specific. Tell people what they'll get inside the community and why it's worth joining now. Double-check your addresses before sending, and consider keeping invites in small, personalized batches for better engagement. If someone says they didn't receive the email, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and to mark messages from Skool as safe. As you share your link or send those emails, think about timing and context. Tie invitations to a clear call to action, like an upcoming workshop, challenge, or discussion thread. Share the link where your ideal members already hang out, and avoid posting it in random places just to get clicks. Relevance beats reach. A short reminder a few days later can help nudge busy people without being pushy. That's all there is to it. Go to your group, open Settings, head to the Invite tab, then either copy your join link or send email invites directly. Choose the method that fits your audience, and you'll start welcoming new members right away.